Ducati has just presented the Panigale V2 Superquadro Final Edition, a limited series collector's motorcycle that stands for gratitude and love for the Superquadro engine family, the most advanced twin-cylinder ever produced by Ducati. The culmination of a long series, which began more than 30 years ago. The 90-degree V2 engine with desmodromic distribution with 4 valves per cylinder, and ended with Niccolò Brulega's Supersport title. An engine that represents the hallmark element of Ducati Superbike and Supersport, giving life to the latter category on iconic motorcycles such as the 959 and the current Panigale V2. This collectible Panigale, produced in a limited series of 555 units, pays tribute to the Superquadro engine, whose story came to fruition with Niccolò Brulega's first Supersport World title conquests in 2022 and 2023. For the Panigale V2 Superquadro Final Edition, the Superquadro adopted is the one with a displacement of 955 cubic centimeters, pleasant to ride on the highway while being effective and responsive on the track, with 155 GP of power at 10,750 revolutions per minute and a torque of 104 nanometers at 9,000 revolutions per minute. The Superquadro Tribute livery, created by Ducati Performance in conjunction with the Ducati Style Center, stays true to Ducati's stylistic language by using its signature colors: white, red, black and gray. Protective arches on the fairing that adapt to the shape of the motorcycle. The Superquadro becomes the protagonist of this livery thanks to the technical design shown on the side of the fairing, right at the position of the engine, playing with a grey color to keep it in the background. The dark and cold shade of matte grey of the tank highlights the contrast with the color of the fairing, giving the bike a modern character. Ivory is then equipped with an embroidered saddle that adds elegance to its sporty style. The motorcycle is also equipped with Panigale V2 electronics based on the use of a 6-axis inertial platform, which helps in smooth riding, so that the rider optimizes the stability of his Ducati in extreme corner entry conditions. Monocoque chassis, adorned with Erhlin's suspension and steering damper. Rizoma adjustable rider footrest, made of billet aluminum. The front and rear fenders, damper and caps, chain guard, clutch cover guard, one for the swing arm and another for the shock absorber, are made of carbon fiber. The Panigale V2 Superquadro Final Edition is offered in a single-seater configuration with sporty grips. The dashboard animation when the button is on and the ignition is unique to this model, and also comes with a certificate of authenticity and a personalized motorcycle cover. Thanks for watching.